Good morning, students. CBSE has issued a circular to facilitate the teachers and students about the art integrated learning. This is an initiative taken by the Union Government of India as part of the Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program. Today, I am giving you some guidelines about the topic of art integrated learning. According to CBSE, art integrated learning is to make the students aware of the vast and diverse cultural heritage of our country. As part of this project, at least one art integrated topic in each subject shall be taken by all students. This will be considered for internal assessments in all subjects. CBSE has provided a list of paired states. As per this, our state Maharashtra is paired with Odisha. As we know more about our state, let's focus on Odisha. There are many topics given in the list. It can be the dance forms, music, musical instruments, cuisine, costumes, painting, etc. You can select any one topic you like. Based on the topic, audiovisual performances can be made. Let's look at the history of Odisha. Odisha's history and traditions are very fascinating. Once it was known as Kalinga, later came to be called Utkal. Odisha is famous for temples, different dance, music and art forms. It has a unique form of dance known as Odissi. Let's have a look at the dance forms of Odisha. Here, Odissi dance, Chau dance, Chaiti Goda, Dandanata, Medhanacha, Changu dance, Karma dance. These are the different dance forms practicing in Odisha. So let's see more about or learn more about these dances. Odissi dance, it is renowned as the most revered classical dance form in Odisha. Odissi dance is a typical dance from where the religious and mythical stories and poems emoted by the dancers through expressions, body movements and gestures. Second one is Chau dance. It's a traditional dance form in Odisha which is used to enact the episodes from the Hindu epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. The indigenous dance forms are integrated with martial arts to form this dance form. Now another one is Chaiti Goda or Chaiti Goda dance, also known as the horse dance, is mainly performed during the festivities related to the fishing communities in Odisha. This interesting to watch dance form is only performed by Kaivarta caste. Another one is Dandanata. One of the most popular folk dances of Odisha is performed in the Ganjam district. Is Dandanata. In this form of dance, dancers or devotees undergo a penance to appease Lord Shiva by physically torturing their body. Another form of dance is Medhanacha. Medhanacha is another type of mask dance performed mainly in the coastal districts of Odisha. Oversized masks of kings, queens and devils made by paper pulp are used by dancers to perform this beautiful dance form in India. Other form of dance is Changu dance, which is performed by all the regional tribes of Odisha. Changu dance is a rural variety of the tambourine. This dance is mainly performed by women. However, men only sing songs and group with female dancers with simple steps. Last one is the Karma dance, which is performed during the festival of Karma Puja by the people of God and Oravan tribes. The tribal dance of Karma is presented in front of Karam tree that represents the god of fate. You may select any one topic and prepare a project based on the traditional art or dance forms of Odisha. Thank you.